Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Transit-350. The Transit-350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.